Directly, guys, is lesson 2, module 2, lesson 8, solve systems of three variables. Now, I just want to make something. Solve systems of three variables. Now, in the previous lesson, if you remember, we took systems of two variables. We took two ideas or two ways to solve these systems, by elimination or by substitution. I will start directly with example 1. Example 1, page 125. So, solve the following system. Solve the following system. 4x plus y plus 6z equal 12, and 2x minus 10y, minus 2z equal 12 also, and 3x plus 8y plus 19z equal 38. So here we have three equations, but with three variables, x, y, and z. Now leave everything, just focus on the board, please. Try to understand as much as you can. This lesson will be the last lesson of this semester. Okay? This lesson will be the last lesson in this semester. So try to focus. Now, if you remember, we named the equations. Here we have three equations, not one. So I will call this equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Now, my idea is like this. I will take the first two equations and eliminate a variable. Eliminate what? A variable. So let's choose a variable to eliminate in the first two equations. Here you have 2z, right? Right? And here you have 2x. The 2 can be 4. The 10, or here 1. The 1 can be 10, right? And the 2 can be 6. This is 2 by 1, so 2z, the second equation. Good. So here you can eliminate x, you can eliminate y, and you can eliminate z. So choose. I'll eliminate x. I'll eliminate what? X. How I'll eliminate x? I'm ignoring equation 3. I'm ignoring what? I'm talking about equation 1 and equation 2 only. Okay? So I'll eliminate x from equation 1 and equation 2. How the 2 become 4? I'll multiply equation 2 by 2, then subtract with equation 1. So x will be 4x minus 4x will cancel, right? So what I will do here, I will do equation 2 multiply by 2, right? Equation 2 multiply by 2, it will be what? 4x plus or minus 20y, right? Plus or minus 4z equal 12 by 2 done 4. I will add this x with equation 1. So I will eliminate x between these two equations, right? Yellow, 4x plus y plus 6z all equal also 12, right? I will add or subtract here. They have the same sign. I will subtract. Good. Now subtract. For x minus 4x, 0. Negative 20. Negative 1. Negative 1, 1, right? Negative 4. Negative 6. Negative 10 z equal 24 minus 12. 12. This equation, I will call it equation. I'll read this step. Equation 1 and 2, I choose a variable, which is what here? X to what? To eliminate it. As we did in the elimination, remember? But here 4 and here 2. I multiplied equation 2 by what? By 2. Why? To make the 2x as 4x. Then I subtracted the two equations. I have a new equation with y and mean and z only. X disappeared, right? And this equation I call it number. Is this clear? The first step. Are you sure? Second step, I did. Second step. I will take one of these two equations. What is the second step? It's important. Now don't forget that I choose already x to eliminate, right? Yeah. Done. I will take 1 or 2. 1 or 2 with 3. I will take equation 1 or equation 2 with equation 3 and choose x also to what? To eliminate. So I will choose x 1 or 2 with the 3. You choose. The 1 with the 3, nothing. But here we have 4x and here we have 3x. Now I will go. This is equation 4. Remember it, don't forget it. I will go to the next board and I will take the first equation and the third. Two with the third, it's the same. So they said the first equation was 4x plus y minus plus 6z equal what? 12. And the third, this is the third, right? The third equation, 3x plus 8y plus 19z equal what? 38. Have the equation is 3. ما تخربط. Again, I choose equation 1 and 2, the first step, and I choose. Look what I'm saying. I choose. So you can choose any other thing, okay? So I choose 1 and 2, and I eliminate x between them, right? This resulting in this equation. I keep it by side. Now I go back and I want to involve equation 3 with the process. So I take equation 1, I choose equation 1 with equation 3, and I want to eliminate the same variable, which is what? X. يعني تختار X تعمل له eliminate طلع مع X. Okay? But let's go here. But now here, I want to eliminate what? Less X with that because I did elimination for X before. خلاص؟ لو أنت بلشت بالواي تعمل الواي. بلشت بالزد تعمل الزد. بصيرش تعمل elimination للإكس بالأول وتيجي هنا تعمل لا بدي للواي أسهل. بصيرش. فهمنا؟ فهمنا. طيب. 4x with 3x, can the 4 be 3 or 3 be 4? No. At this case, we multiply up all by 3, down all by what? 4. We took this idea before, right? So equation 1, equation 1, I'll multiply it by 3. It will be equation 1 multiplied by 3. It will be, right? 12x plus 6y, sorry, 3y plus 18z. Guys, any Mistake here will bring at the end. Everything will be mistake. Gonna 3 by 6, 18 what? Z all equal 3 by 12. Now here equation 3, I'll multiply it by 4. So I'll multiply equation 3 by 4. It will be 4 by 3x, 12x plus 2y, right? 19 by 4, 50. 76. متأكد. 7. 6 mean Z all equal 38 by 4, 50. 100. 12x, 12x, right? I will subtract. 12x minus 12x, 0. 3y minus 32y minus 29y, right? Subtract with the bigger sign. Of 18 minus 76. Negative? Negative. Negative. 58 what? Z equal 36 minus 150. Wow. Negative 116. This equation, see it? What I would call it? Now, again, I'll repeat the whole process, okay? Now I'll go back. I have 3 equations with 3 variables. The first step, I choose the first 2 equations and I choose to eliminate x. خلاص? And this is the resulting equation. I call it 4. So notice that this equation has how many variables? 2 variables, which is y and z. The second step, I choose equation 1 or equation 2 with mean equation 3, and I will eliminate the same variable which I did eliminate in the first step. And here it is, right? So I have equation 5 now with y and z. Now طلع على equation 4 وطلع على equation 5. How many variables? How many equations? Can we solve them by elimination? Yes. So what I will do now, I will take equation 4 in the first step, equation 5 with the second step, and I will solve them together. Let's write them here over each other مع بعض. Equation 4 خذونا إياها. Negative 21y, negative 10z equal 12, right? Negative 21y, negative 10z equal 12. This is what? Equation 4, it's 1. Equation 5, negative 29y minus 58z equal what? Negative, have equation what? 5. مظبوط? These 2 equations now, I will solve them by elimination or to find the variables y and z. And if we know y and z, I can know mean x, right? What? Elimination طبعا. Substitution هنا صعب. هيكون عندك أول في الفلاش. So here مين مع الكالكوليتر؟ اشتغل معايا. Yeah. Now here I want to choose y or z. Notice that 21 cannot be 29, 29 cannot be 21, right? Here also 10 cannot be 58, 58 cannot be 10. So here we multiply up, multiply down, both. So equation 4, let's choose to eliminate mean or what? So down I'll multiply by what? By 21 or negative 21. Or up I'll multiply by what? 29. Yeah. So question 4, I'll do it here, guys. Question 4, I'll multiply it by what? Question 4, I'll multiply it by 29. No. Multiply 29. It will be what? Yeah, negative 21, multiply 29. 609 here ايش نيجاتيف طبعا 609 ايش y right طيب 29 multiply negative 10 209 صح ايش z equal 12 multiply 29 300 احكي يا ابني احكي لا تستنى okay طيب now down I'll multiply by what here by 21 Fine, yeah. 21 21 multiplied by negative 29 is 609 negative right ايش y طيب 21 multiply negative 58 1200 متأكد 1000 احكي 218 like this z equal 21 multiply negative 116 negative 2400 negative احكي 2436 436 are you sure yes line صح now here we will subtract them same sign if you add them negative you will add the two numbers and put negative right? So here I need to what? Subtract and focus with the subtraction. Negative 609 minus 609 means a plus here, right? So negative 609 plus 609 zero. So these are zero, right? Right? اشتغل معي. Negative 290 plus 1218. 900. Exactly. Again, repeat it. Negative 290 plus 1218. 900 positive or negative? 928 what? Z equal 348 minus 246 means you will add them. 348 plus 246, how much? 2,784. متأكد. Now can I find Z? Divide both sides by 920. Divide 9 to 8. Divide 9 to 8. So Z will be what? I use Z. صح؟ وين بروح؟ Which equation to find y? بدي ارجع لجوا هلا. Going back. I know Z, right? I will go to equation 4 or 5. Why? Because it has two variables. Then go to equation 3. It has 3 variables. If you put Z here 3, can you know y or x? No. So you will go, you have Z equal 3. ترى سامع بس نطنش. بس بدي احكي لك شغله انا we found Z equal 3, right? I will go back now to which equation? To equation 4 or 5. Replace Z by its value, which is what? 3. يلا let's replace in 5. اظن الايكويشن اي وحده هذا negative 21 negative 10 equal 12. Okay, yeah, so Z equal 3, right? In equation negative 21 y negative 10 Z equal 12. Check. Negative 21 y negative 10 Z equal 12. But replace Z by what? By 3. So negative 21 y negative 10 times 3 equal what? 12. Acid. I'm acid. When? Yeah. Right, my answer. Yeah. Negative 20y minus 10 by 3. 30. So negative 21y minus 30 equal what? Solve the two-step equation here. We shift divide. Negative 21y equals 12 plus 30 negative 21y equal, huh? 42. Dividing negative 21, dividing negative 21, y will be negative. I found x, z, and find what? Where I will go now? To equation 1, or 2, or 3, one of them. Any equation to find me,
Equation 1.
to find x. So let's go back to equation 1. In equation 1, hey, 4x, equation 1, okay? 4x plus y plus 6z equal 12. Now I have x, z, and I have mean y. I can find x. Z is a 3, y is, so 4x plus minus 2 plus 6 multiply z, which is a 3, right? Equal again. Simplify. 4x minus 2 plus 18 plus 16, right? All equal 12. Check divide. For x equal 12 minus 16, for x equal 4 negative, x will be what? So now the equation is negative 1, negative 2, and so just 6 multiply 3, how much? That 18. Negative 2 plus 18. That plus 16. Huh? Here, I replace Z by what? حسبناه هون احنا كم طلعت معنا؟ 3. وحسبنا الواي كم؟ رحت اخذت ال 3 والنيجاتيف 2 حطيتهم بالايكويشن 1. صح؟ 6 by 3 18 minus 2 16. Shift the 16, then divide your x will be negative 1. Okay? So the negative 1, negative 2, and what? 3, right? Let's check our answer. How we check our answer, by the way? I'll substitute the 3 numbers here. Let's make them one by one together mentally, okay? X is how much? 1. Negative 1. 4 by negative 1. Negative 4. Y how much? Negative 2. Negative 4. Negative 2. Negative 6. Z is a 3. 6 by 3. Negative 6 plus 18. Positive 1, right? Here. 2 by negative 1. Negative 2. بس عشان ما ننسى هاي الاكس والواي والزد the solution, ها؟ x negative 1, y negative 2, z 3. يلا replace. 2 by negative 1, negative 2. Negative 10 by negative 2, positive 2. صارت negative 2 plus 20, 18. Minus 2 multiply 3, which is 6. 18 minus 6, 12, right? The third one, 3 by negative 1, negative 3. 8 by negative 2, negative 16, right? Negative 3, negative 16, negative, حط على جنب, صح? Now 19 multiply what? 3. How much 19 multiply 3? Minus هذول كم حكينا عنها؟ minus 19, right? These are how we solve 3 steps in 3 equations on 3 variables. Now, I will repeat the whole example for you. The whole example for you. When I say choose or I choose, so maybe you have different way to solve. Got it? Yeah. أنا بلشت equation 1 and 2. صح؟ ممكن تقول لا أنا بدي 2 2 and 3 مثلا. 1 with 3 أنت حر. صح؟ أنا بلشت elimination for x. تقول لا أنا بديش x أنا بدي أعمل مين؟ أو z أنت حر. But if you choose 1 and 3, then you will choose the answer with 2. صح؟ If you choose 1 and 2 as I did, then I will choose 1 with 2 or 3. Okay? So it depends on your strategy. Now in my solution, I choose the first two equations, 1 and 2, and I choose a variable to eliminate, which is, by the way, the variable you choose at the first step to eliminate, you need to choose the same variable in the second step. يعني انا اخترت x بالسكند ستيب كمان اخترت x لازم يكون نفس الفاريبل. So here I choose x to eliminate. How we eliminate x between 1 and 2, you know that. How the 2 to be 4, I multiply equation 2 by 2, I subtract, this is the answer. Now the rest, or the resulting equation has the two other variables. eliminate x شو معانا؟ y زي هيك بحطها على جنب 4 وبخبيها. خلاص؟ طيب. Now I will go to the first two equations and I want to involve the 3 with the game. Okay? So here I will choose 1 or 2 with 3. And you can choose 1 with 3 or 2 with 3. احنا شو اخترنا 1 with 3 صح؟ 1 by 3 and I choose to eliminate what? X also should be. ليش؟ عشان اللي يطلع معك الايكويجن الجديده كمان تكون بواي زد عشان نروح على equation 4 و 5 نشتغلهم مع بعض. يصير عندك two equations with y and z. We did elimination y and found what? Z. Once you find a variable خلاص تفلت معك. اوكي؟ يعني انت طلعت الزد رجعنا رحنا وين؟ To find y, then to equation 1 or 2 or 3 to find me x. Done? Hope you understand it. You need to watch the video again. It's long way, it's long solution, but it deserves. Yes. Harry? Plus, let's see. Plus. لحظة. شوف انت عليك طلعات غريبة. Negative 290 plus 1218 minus minus. Two minuses here. Plus negative 290 plus 1218. How much? هذا 928. لا تأكد حقك. Done? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions about the lesson? Any questions? Hope you understand this very well. It's already solved here. This one? But you can watch the video again to finish writing. I will go. How much time we have? 15 minutes. I will go to example 2. Example 2, please. Do we have check for example 1? Example 2. Solve the system of equations minus x plus 5y minus 4z equal negative 2, 4x minus 20y يا غالي اهدى plus 16z equal 8 and minus x minus y minus z equal negative 1. Here we have 3 equations with 3 steps. Guys, here we have idea with long solution. So you need to arrange your تونس نكتب افكار التخصيص كنت تعمل زمان بنشوفش هاي الايديا عرفت؟ تمام؟ طيب now equation 1 equation 2 equation 3 right? Now I will prepare my or I will think equation 1 equation 2 and equation 3 okay? Fine, let's choose. There is a way, what? 1 with 3. 1 with 3 and x is ready. Just subtract them, right? They are the same, sure? So I will choose 1 with 2. But if you choose 1 with 2, عادي. So I'll choose 1 and 3 to eliminate me x. So 1 with 3 to eliminate x. Let's put them over each other and subtract themselves. So here negative x plus 5y minus 4z equal negative 2 minus x minus y minus z equal minus 1, right? Now, why I subtract between them? Because they have the same sign, right? However, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 down 0, right? Minus 5, sorry, 5 minus 1 6y minus 4 plus 1 2 negative 2 plus 1. This is equation 1. Done? I will take now, I want to involve the equation number 2 with the process, right? Right now. Choose. You can choose 2 with 3 or 1 with 2. You can multiply 1 with 4 or 3 with 4. 3. 3, yeah. 2 and 3. Equation 2. هذه خليها. يلا equation 2 with 3. Equation 3 I want to multiply it by 4 عشان تصير 4x مظبوط؟ يلا equation 3 multiply by it will be negative 4x negative 4y negative 4z equal negative 4 added with equation 2, right? Plus equation 2. It will be 4x minus 20y plus 16z equal what? Add. Minus 4 plus 4 3. Minus 4 plus 20. Sorry, minus 4 plus minus 20 minus 24. Right? 24 what? Y. 24 y, right? Minus 4 plus 16 plus 12 z equal minus 4 plus 8 equal 4. هذه equation ايش؟ لو طلع على 4 و 5 ركز معي شوي. Look at 4, look at 5. Both two equations with the same variables, y and z. This is what we want, right? Now what I will do, I will take these two equations, 4 and 5, and solve them together to find the values of z and y, okay? So احفظوا لنا اياهم 6y with 3z negative 1 مظبوط؟ No, I want to do 6y minus 3z equal negative 1. And the fourth equation or the fifth equation says negative 24y full z equal 4. Negative 20. Sorry. Negative 24y plus 12z equal what? 4. This is equation 4 and 5, so 5. Let's eliminate. multiply the first equation by 6 by 4 to be what? Negative 24. So I'll multiply this equation by what? And add it with equation 5. So this equation here, I'll multiply it by, it will be negative 24y, sorry, positive 24y minus 12z equal what? Negative 4. Add it to the second equation, negative 24y plus 12z wait علي أي solution equal what? 4. Add them. Right? صح؟ infinitely not a solution here. Infinitely. What? لا ما لو طلعت واي ولا زد وين الواي ايكوال زد ايكوال طلعتهم انا الواي زيرو في واي ايكوال زيرو شايفها يا ابني بسألك انت بتحكي الواي زيرو في واي ايكوال زيرو شايفها بعينك لا كيف الواي زيرو while I'm going to find the values of y and z I found what? The variables disappear and I found 0 equals 0, right? So, at this case, شو بنحكي؟ Infinitely, شو يعني infinitely many solutions? يعني any value for x and any value for y and any value for z, it will be solution. Get it? Yes. Or numbers, yeah, infinitely many. تقدر تحصرها؟ خلاص. But infinitely many solutions. This is your answer. هيو كبره عشان تشوف. Now طلع الكتاب. أنا example 2 شايفينه؟ طلع الكتاب. عامل elimination تحت شو طالع معاه؟ 0 equals 0, right? شو حكى؟ The equation 0 equals 0 is always true. This indicates that the first two equations represent the same plane. طيب طلع تحت آخر شيء. The plane intersect the line because the inside. So there are an infinite. كان الفراغ هذا شو تحط فيه؟ Infinite number of. انتوا عارفين أنا وين؟ Example. Your آخر line قبل التشيك. ايوه infinite number of solutions ماذا مش هتعرفهم infinitely many solutions بس ركز الان كنت تحكوا no solution لما وصلنا للسوليوشن when we will have no solution when we do everything and at the end for example we have 0 equal 9 0 equal 9 can the 0 be 9? No. Can the 0 equal 9? No. So at this case, if you have two different numbers and equal between them, we say no solution. But if you have two equal numbers, not only 0, 0, maybe you have 3 equal 3. At this case, you have to infinite limit. We took that in the elimination before, right? And here, if you have this case, you say no solution. Done. That's all. I'm looking tired. Thank you.